Safety Toolbox Talk number 338. SOP for machinery and equipment in construction site. 1. Purpose. To establish safety protocols for the use, operation, and maintenance of machinery and equipment on construction sites, ensuring the safety of workers and the prevention of accidents. 2. Scope. This SOP applies to all machinery and equipment used on construction sites, including but not limited to cranes, bulldozers, excavators, forklifts, and power tools. 3. Responsibilities. Site manager/supervisor. Ensure all equipment is inspected and maintained regularly, and that operators are trained. Operators. Operate machinery and equipment safely and in accordance with the SOP. Safety officer. Monitor adherence to safety protocols and conduct regular safety audits. Maintenance team. Perform routine inspections, maintenance, and repairs as required. Four. Equipment inspection. Pre-use inspection. Operators must conduct a visual inspection of the machinery before use to check for any damages, leaks, or malfunctions. Check tire pressure, fuel levels, oil levels, hydraulic systems, and brakes. Ensure all safety features, e.g. emergency shutoff switches, alarms, lights, are functional. Post-use inspection. After using the machinery, the operator must perform another check and report any issues for repair or further inspection. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule for all machinery, ensuring the equipment is serviced regularly by qualified personnel. 5. Safe operation procedures. Training. Only trained and authorized personnel should operate heavy machinery and equipment. Ensure workers undergo formal training and competency assessments before using any equipment. Provide refresher training periodically. Operation limits. Operators must follow the manufacturer's operation guidelines, including load limits, operational speed, and use in adverse conditions. Never exceed weight limits or load capacity. Safety gear. Operators and other personnel near operating equipment must wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including hard hats, safety boots, high-visibility vests, eye protection. Hearing protection, where necessary. Signaling. When operating in areas with limited visibility or near other workers, operators should use hand signals, radios, or alarms to communicate with ground staff. Safe work zones. Establish clear zones around machinery where unauthorized personnel are not allowed. Use cones, barriers, and signage to mark these areas. 6. Emergency procedures. Shutdown. If an emergency occurs, fire, equipment malfunction, or injury, operators should immediately shut down machinery using the emergency stop switch. First aid. In case of injury, provide immediate first aid and contact emergency medical services. Evacuation. Ensure a clear evacuation plan is in place in case of major hazards like fire or structural failure. Seven. Lockout/tagout, LOTO, procedure. Ensure that machinery is properly shut off before maintenance is performed. Use a lockout/tagout system to prevent accidental startup during repairs. Lockout devices must be applied to the power source of all equipment being serviced or maintained. 8. Maintenance and repairs. Scheduled inspections. Perform maintenance checks as per manufacturer instructions and ensure equipment is in proper working condition. Repairs. Only qualified technicians should carry out repairs. After repairs, recheck equipment before putting it back into operation. Record keeping. Keep accurate records of inspections, maintenance, and repairs for every piece of machinery. (9) Environmental considerations. Prevent spills of fuel, oil, or chemicals by ensuring proper storage and handling of hazardous materials. Use appropriate waste disposal methods for used oils, filters, and other contaminants. 10. Reporting and documentation. Incident reporting. Any machinery-related incidents, including near misses, should be reported immediately to the safety officer. Documentation. Maintain records of training, inspections, and maintenance to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. 11. Compliance and legal requirements. Ensure adherence to all local, state, and federal regulations, including OSHA standards for construction equipment safety. Regular audits should be performed to ensure that the SOP is being followed and that equipment is compliant with safety regulations. Thank you.